Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. So guys, yesterday I made a video in which I have told you that Cognizant on-campus hiring phase 2 have been announced and the last date for registration for phase 2 was 16th of November. Now the exams will be starting and simultaneously the interviews will also be starting after the exam. Now in this particular video, what I'll be doing, I will be discussing the entire flow of the hiring. So first phase happened in September, October. Similarly, the second phase is happening in November and December. Okay. So I will be discussing each and every round in detail and what are all the things that you need to prepare for clearing these rounds. I will also be discussing about the preparation material that you can refer to for your preparation. So as each and every detail that I will be discussing in this video will be important for you. Don't skip any part of this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. And guys, we have a free preparation playlist of Cognizant on this YouTube channel in which for every section we have discussed lot of actual asked questions, whether it is the coding questions, SQL questions, web-based questions or aptitude questions. All the questions which have been actually asked in Cognizant exam are mentioned in this particular playlist. So you can check this out. If you have any doubts regarding the hiring, you can always write in the comment section or you can discuss your query on this Telegram group. It's dedicated for 2026 batch students. If you want to join this Telegram group, the links you can find in the description box. Now let's start this video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button because every like and subscribe motivates us for making more such videos. So now let's continue with the video. Okay, so guys, this is the flow of the entire Cognizant hiring. First of all, registration will take place as I told you. 16th November was the last date to register. Then screening of your resumes will happen, and those resumes that are shortlisted, those assessments will be starting for those students. Okay, first will be the communication assessment. If you clear this round, the next round will be the aptitude assessment and technical assessment. Each and everything assessment and pattern I will be discussing in detail. Just wait for a second. Okay, then after round 2, once you clear all these assessments, then you will be shortlisted for the interviews based on your exam score. And if you get shortlisted in the interviews as well, whether it is for Gen C role, Gen C Pro or Gen C Next, then letter of intent will be shared with you. I hope this entire hiring flow is clear to you. First we'll be starting with the communication assessment. Now guys, what is the pattern of communication assessment? Now see, in communication round, total there will be 4 sections. Section A, 23 questions will be there. Read the given sentences. So on the screen you will be given some sentences. You just have to read them loud and you just have to and the system will record your voice. You just have to be clear in your pronunciation in this particular section. Section B is 4 questions. Speak about the given topic for a maximum of 1 minute. So in section B, total 4 minutes will be given to you and 4 topics will be given to you. So one by one, for each topic, you will have to speak for minimum for maximum of 1 minute. Okay. So on this, through this section, they want to test again your communication skills and your spontaneous behavior. I hope it's clear to you. Next is section C, in which 34 questions will be there. These will be grammar questions like tenses. Okay, change the voice of the sentence, identify the grammatically correct sentence. Okay, so this will be section C. More of a grammar things will be checked here. Next will be section D, 16 questions. Choose the correct options from the recorded speech. So again, you will have to listen to the audio and based on that, you will have to select the correct option. So this was the communication round. And guys, believe me, nowadays lot of companies are having this communication round, whether it is Capgemini, Accenture, Cognizant, and this round is really easy for clearing. Okay, so just make the one thing sure that you are surrounded by you are in a peace environment where there is no external noise, then you will be easily able to clear this round. There is no other way of clearing. It's really simple. I hope it's clear to you. Now moving towards the next round, that is the aptitude and game based questions. Now the next exam will be your aptitude plus game based questions. Now aptitude questions will be 30 questions, 30 minutes. Okay, from this round your technical skills will be tested. Okay, 30 questions, 30 minutes. The the level will be easy to medium. Then there will be game based questions, in which game based there will be around 4 to 5 sections there also. Grid challenge, switch challenge, motion challenge, digit challenge, deductive logical thinking, inductive logical thinking. Now you will be asking that, okay, we are aware of the pattern that aptitude questions will be asked and game based question will be asked. Next thing will be, sir, from where we should prepare. Now guys, see, each and everything I am discussing in detail in this video for every section. You do not have to go to any other YouTube channel or any other preparation material, because on our top mate page of uh, code bashers, we have Cognizant preparation material for 2026 batch. Each and every section that is getting asked in your exam, we have covered that section in this particular preparation material with actual questions. Whether it is the coding questions, SQL questions, application questions, game-based questions, cloud fundamental MCQs, okay, everything is covered here with actually asked questions in Cognizant exam. Now, since currently I'm discussing about the aptitude and game-based questions, so see, in aptitude I have told you that the questions will be from easy to medium level. Okay, so around 120 plus previously asked actual aptitude questions we have covered in this particular PDF. We have the proper question, we have the correct options, and we have the correct answer for it. Okay, so you don't have to go anywhere else to study for the aptitude thing. Next, I have discussed that there will be game based questions and 5 type of games are asked. So you can see here we have all the type of games that will be asked in your cognitive exam are covered in this PDF only. So type 1 motion challenge is there, type 2 digit challenge is there, type 3 switch challenge is there, type 4 inductive logical reasoning is there, type 5 deductive logical reasoning is there. So again, different questions, like how you will have to solve them. Each and every question is there with their correct answer and explanation also. So you can see here we have the question, we have the proper answer, and in some question where explanation is required, we have explained the game based questions also in this particular PDF. Now round 2, I hope it's clear to you. It's aptitude and game based questions. Okay, and each and every type is already present in that preparation material. Next, if we talk about is the technical assessment. Again, very important assessment. Okay, based on this only you will be selected for either Gen C interview, Gen C Pro, or Gen C Next. In technical assessment, there are different clusters. Okay, cluster 1 is Java, cluster 2 is Python, and cluster 3 is C hash. Now in cluster 1, the what will be the pattern? There will be 2 coding questions or 2 Java coding questions, 2 SQL coding questions, 1 web-based questions in which HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will be tested. And then based on that cluster, MCQs will also be there. So if I talk about Java cluster only, so 2 Java coding questions, 2 SQL coding questions, 1 web-based question, and 10 Java MCQs will be there. Similarly, in cluster 3, C hash also, 2 C hash coding questions, 2 SQL coding questions, 1 web-based coding questions, and 10 C hash MCQs will be there. In cluster 2, 2 Python coding questions will be there, 2 SQL coding questions will be there, but there won't be a web-based question. Instead of that, there will be cloud fundamental MCQs and Python MCQs. So based on cluster, your technical assessment will be there. Now again, you will be thinking from where we should prepare. Again, let me remind you that after after taking this preparation material, you don't have to go anywhere else in any other YouTube channel or any other material for preparation. We have actual SQL coding questions which have been asked in Cognizant. We have the proper question, we have the correct schema for it, we have the correct query for it for every question that is mentioned here. In other materials on YouTube, what you will find that in somewhere schema is missing, somewhere answers are not there, somewhere questions are not there, but not with this material. Okay. Similarly, for coding also, you can see we have the proper previously asked questions here. We have the coding question with sample input, sample output, and we have the correct code for it. Similarly, for web-based questions also, you can see we have lot of web-based questions which have been previously asked in the Cognizant exam. So in this particular preparation material, not only you are getting all these things, but as I've told you, there will be cloud fundamental MCQs that will be asked, Python MCQs, Java MCQs, okay, C hash MCQs. So all the sections that are getting asked in your exam are already covered in this particular material. Okay, if you do not believe me, you can always read that what students are saying. In phase 1, lot of students bought this material and they it was very helpful for them. See your collection and content, I love this, and please try to bring previous year questions for more companies as well. Okay. Similarly, you can see here, I learned a lot of useful concepts for Cognizant preparation material, such as aptitude, reasoning, coding, and interview tips. The content was well organized and easy to understand. Okay, SQL PDFs like SQL material has been really highlighted in this particular material. I'm very thankful to this material, especially for the SQL material. It is really helped me clear my technical assessment. So you can see here, you after purchasing this material, you don't have to go anywhere else. All the things are mentioned here only. Okay, so if you're interested in this material, the links are in the description box, and it is at a very nominal price of rupees 99. And as I have discussed that this is the entire flow of the hiring. So after your technical assessment is done, then you will be selected for interviews based on Gen C, Gen C Pro, or Gen C Next, based on your exams only. And technical interviews, how you have to give. Again, there have been lot of I have this cutoff discussion have been already done, so you can check out those videos as well, that what should be the cutoff for Gen C, Gen C Pro, Gen C Next. I have made the video and it is present inside this playlist only. So guys, this was it for this video. If you have any doubts regarding anything, you can always write in the comment section, and also do mention in the comment section that when is your exam scheduled. Okay, I will try to make more such videos. Thank you for this video.